Jelly. Palit tayo. Another batch of budon, mga moms. So cute. And may libre siyang...
Ano daw yun?
May libre siya na... Ano? Meron kami friendship. What's this? Friendship sweatshirt.
Mayaman na kami. Dati sombrero lang po.
Upgraded na kami.
Salamat sa tatlong taong pagiging Japayuki. Hi everyone! So it's day 10-3. Day 12 here in Japan. So just a recap.
Going to Shibuya after 6 years.
So chika.
Ito na nga.
Ito na nga. Napakahaba po ng lakarin namin everyday. But it's good because it's exercise. Because if not, then there will be no exercise.
That's the chika?
That's the chika. Oh, you see vendor everywhere?
Yeah.
There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Amazing Japan.
Amazing Japan.
Ako talaga nag-endorse ng Japan. Look at that, very clean. Oh,
only in Japan.
There's Family Mart.
There's a lot of convenience store everywhere. Oh, it's green. Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Vámonos! It's 3 p.m. pero lamig pa din. And mahangin. Walang kahulas-hulas. Oh my God. Alas 3. Late na yung ano na. Chill na lang ang aming itinerary. Police box. Koban. Coffee muna kami. Alas 3. Kape. Kata na oras kape. Ayan. Lagi kami dumadaan dito pero never pa kaming nagkape.
This work? Yes. Caramel latte. Ice. Small. Hello po mga kapanatag. LGBTQIA+ YYUU. Meron na po tayong coffee shop. Tadang! Bex Coffee! Ating po.
Medyo busy ang station ngayon dahil uwian ang mga estudyante. Very local na yung feels na. Ilang araw. That's Hachiko. Fall in line. We need to fall in line. First cross. Gagastos na naman po tayo for today's vid. Let's go! Yes! Yes! Di tayo titigil. Okay. Pause. Yes! Oh, yes! Japan exclusive.
Pagkabi niyo 300. Oh, I love that! Look at that guy!
Yes! Let's go. Let's buy it. 3 medium.
You get it na?
3 million? Okay.
Ganito po magsukat dito. Sa Japan, bibigyan ka nila na.
Sukat mo nga, di mo naman makita.
Amazing.
Diba? Sa Pilipinas,
No, bawal sukatin.
Yan, gagawin ng paraan ng Japan.
Eh, ang problema kayo, paano makeup? Eh, ano mo, baka? Tingnan na small. Let's go!
Ganito tayo pag nag-picture. May ganito.
Naputas mo sayaw. If you see it, then you mean it, then you never got to go.
Okay, thank you. Freebies? No freebies? Yep, mom's cup.
Backup, sorry, also that.
Sold out?
Yes, also that.
Ah, this is discounted already. Tax free.
Suot na namin! We paid for it, ah. Uubusin namin ng Uniqlo. I get the large. Susuot na ni Peter Ara yung pants niya. Susuot niya na.
Annyeonghaseyo, 여러분. 저는 보이나코입니다.
Wrong country. Hanggat hindi tayo nakakatungtong ng airport, hindi matatapos ang pag-shopping.
Together!
Wala kami makakapasok na Chanel. Why? Kabila? Ah, it's not automatic. Nasanay sa automatic. Nag-assist. Ganda. This is my shade. This is shade 822. Yung first shade na ano ko wala. Hindi available. Purple lipstick. Paper bag. And my supportive friends. Oh, happy facial so cute. And may libre siyang...
Ano daw yun?
May libre siya na something. We're here for the freebie. Tuloy-tuloy na natin ang paggastos dito. Hindi tayo titigil. Got my first Chanel.
Happy therapy.
I'm so happy.
Yes, I did.
So we're going to 7th floor for the tax refund. Life update. Okay, nakuha ko na ang refund. Ito siya now. Cash na lang. And the 5% discount. We're going to our next destination.
ABC Mart.
ABC Mart. Mga katapos ang shoes, hindi na namin alam kung saan namin ilalagay. Sa luggage. Kailangan pumunta tayo ng Daiso. We need Saka bag. Ganito pala feeling ng Mamahaling lipstick. Ang gaang. Huwag nyo justify yung gastos. Hindi, para siyang ano, may lip gloss na nakasama. Gusto mo yarn? Gusto mo yung try?
Sabi ko pa, try lang. I don't like it. Don't remove.
Wala lang to. Wait. Nakakakita na naman ako ng sapatos, pero upo lang tayo dito. At ito ako. Maganda ako. Okay, another batch of budol, mga mamster. Yun na naman. Diyos ko, kawawa naman yung credit card. Gamit na gamit. Kaskas na kaskas. We're here at Don Quixote again. Okay, diretso ang tingin. Diretso ang tingin. Focus on the goal. Okay, ang bango. May pancake. Purple pa. Wow, it's cute. Ito pala yung mabango. There's a lot of...
Hala?
We're done. For today's shopping. We're going to eat. Ito lang kami sa Yoshinoya. Wala nito sa Pilipinas. Going up. The view from the restaurant. Yoshinoya. Kala mo lang Yoshinoya sa Pilipinas. Kain na. Gutom na si Tita. Nahiwalay si Auntie Jelay. Pero parang dapat doon ako. Jelay. Palit tayo. Palit tayo. Palit tayo.
Kala mo kakainin lahat.
Wow, gulay. Gulay yan. Talaga ba, tita?
Pag sa Japan lang ako kakain ng gulay.
Nanigos. Thank you. Wow. May pasanggap. Ay, malis na yung katabi niya. Kaya sana si Jelly. And we're done!
It's my last night here in Tokyo! Thank you so much for that spoiler!
Puputok ka!
Kasi meron akong ayun. So thank you so much Japan for the experience. We've been here for almost 2 weeks and it was fun and yeah, fun.
Yung tapos yung viewers tayo. Ganyan-ganyan ka pa, ikaw din yung viewer. Ayan. Meron kami friendship, what's this? Friendship sweatshirt.
Mayaman na kami, dati sombrero lang pa.
Upgraded na kami. We had a lot of fun here in Shibuya. We've been here last 2018. And so glad to be back. Dami pa rin tao, of course, sa Shibuya. Let's do one last walk. Okay. We're going! Eh! It's so good to be back. Going! We're home! Last night. Last night in Jelay.
Hi everyone! Salamat sa 3 taong pagiging Japayuki.
Matatapos sa pagiging Japayuki.
Matatapos ako.
May nakaahon na tayo sa hirap na.
Nakaahon na po kami. May pang laundry na po.
Happy Valentine! Happy all! Maghiwalay din kayo.
Don't make me close my door. I don't wanna hurt anymore. Stay in my arms. Any song I can dance, I can fly.
Wala ka pa, si Regine pa yan.
Touch the rainbow.
Si ano muna, si
I can
Donna.
be your good friend. I
Gugulat ka
can
ha, dadating
love
si Donna.
you.
It took you so long to make me see how lucky I am because I'm free. Ito na.
It took you so long to make me feel I can get love so real. I can live.
I can harmonize tayo dapat guys. Reach the heavens
Ako.
I can ride what is wrong. Gusto niyo, reviewin muna natin yung review muna tayo.
Okay na yan.
Tingilan. Wag na, sex bomb na lang tayo. Di ko na mapipigilan. Mas piling ko kaya natin yan. Kala ko maiiyak ako pag pinlay ko yun. Tapos kakantayin namin. Kala ko maiiyak ako naihilang ako. It really hurts.
Ang mahal ng ganito.
Next. Kaysa naman isipin na
Sa puso mo ako'y pangalaga. Sa tuwing ika'y alimutan ko'y nag-iisa. Kahit
ba't hindi graceful yun sa akin? Ikaw, ganun naman.
lakas.
Ayaw na. This one's for the boys for the booming system.
Feeling like a drum that is coming away. Can't you hear that boom, 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 boom? You got the super. I don't wanna be the reason why. Really had me go. Now it's time to go.
Caught my attention. The taste of a cherry chapstick. I can't.
Alam mo Every 3 friends.
Oy!